Okay, guys, welcome back. We are now on day 4 of modifying a document. Obviously, as first we need to do is open up our modifying a document from our Google Drive. So again, if you would, go to your Google Drive. Remember, you can find it in your recent section, or you could even go to your My Drive and locate modifying a document. Now, I already have mine open. And what we're going to do, we're going to take a look here at some of our skills for today. So first off, as you can see, at the end of your second paragraph, you're going to enter one time and then turn on your numbering. Numbering will allow you to make a numbered list. It's easy to follow, and hopefully you'll be able to use it in a few other situations. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to scroll down to the end of my second paragraph, and I'm going to click my enter key one time. So now I'm on a line by itself, and I'm going to turn on my numbering again along my toolbar, and here's my numbering list. If you even click on your down arrow, you can see some different formats. We're just going to use the standard format, so I'm just going to click on the first one, or I could even click back here on the icon. You'll notice that it makes a numbered list, and what it also does is utilize the font style and size from where I previously was after clicking my enter key. So you can see that this number 1 is still on Comic Sans and a size 14. Okay, so that is skill number 1. Now our skill 2, it says do a Google search for internet safety tips for kids. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I don't want to retype this, okay, I can easily just highlight this and copy it to use one of our skills from before. I could open up Google, as you can see when I open up Google, and I could type in internet safety tips for kids right here, or I could simply just paste. That will save me a little bit of time. Click my enter key, and it'll do a search for internet safety tips. What I would like you to do, I would like you to click on one of these links, and I'd like you to read through it, trying to find 3 internet safety tips that you may be able to utilize in your everyday use of a computer. Okay. Again, if you don't like the first site, go back and try a different site. Okay. And it's totally up to you, but I would like you guys to please find 3 internet safety tips. Once you find 3 that you like, you could type them out here. So you can say tip. After you read it, you write in your tip 1 there, and then we'll say tip 2, and then obviously tip 3. You are obviously not going to type in tip 1, tip 2, or tip 3. You're going to type in what you feel would be a good, helpful tip for others and yourself. So that is now done with step 2. And now we've just completed step 3. There we go. I need to hit my enter key one more time. I did not do that. Now, when I finish, I entered one time, and I need to turn off my numbering, as you can see. So here where I'm at number 4, click back up here in your numbering, and the number 4 will be gone. So all I need to do is have my internet safety tip 1, 2, and 3. Great. Now, our last thing here for our skill on day 4 is to change the font color of your internet safety tips so that each one is in a different color. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight my first internet safety tip. Come up here to my toolbar, and I'm going to click on my text color, and I select a text color. Same, and you could choose whichever colors you like, but they should all be different. And there you go. That is your day 4 requirements. Hopefully this helped out. If you have questions, please let me know. Good luck.